Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. If this is your first time in this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Saudi Arabian government scholarship. This is a fully funded scholarship from the government of Saudi Arabia. So this is the official website of the Ministry of Education of Saudi Arabia. First of all, when you log into the Ministry of Education portal, you have to create an account if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you'll just locate the sign in button and then you sign into your account. After that, you write your name first of all here. After writing your name, let's say you have two names. If you're having two names, then it's fine. If you're having three names, you should write the two or write it according to your passport, because a lot of people last year and several other past years have faced issues with these names because Saudi Arabian indigenes are having four names, mostly their father's name, their grandfather's name, and other names. So mostly they're having four names. So, and remember that this website is for the entire Saudi Arabian, whether they are you are a citizen or non-citizen, they all apply for universities here. So for international students, this time around, Saudi Arabia already modified the website for international students. So mostly we are having two to three names, but they are having four names in their case. So you have to write your name, first name here, and then your second name here. If you are having that three names, then you write it according to the way it is displayed in your password, because a lot of people have faced problem previous years. After that, you will just come here and write your email address. After writing your email address, you have to come here and write your date of birth. After your date of birth, you have to select your gender, male or female, depending on your gender. So you select this one. After that, you select of your nationality. Let's say I'm a Nigerian, so let me locate N. So here is Nigeria. Here we go. After that, then you create your password. So mostly people are getting issues when creating password. What you need to know when creating password is mostly start with capital letters and then finish with small letters. And in case you should mix it with some special characters. What are special characters? Special characters like ash, at, you can mix that. And after that, you do same here from the confirm password. After that, then hit the create account. You receive an email on your email address. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll drop the second part of this video tonight, inshallah. Thank you. Jazakumullah khairan. Best of luck. Wish you the best.